We have already seen the projection of solid part. Now the three parts are remaining. First one is section of solid, second one is development of solid, and the third one is projection, isometric projection. Okay, there are four types of projection. There are only two types which is in your course, that is orthographic projection and second one is isometric projection. So now we are seeing the uh, first part, that is a section of solid. So so as we already know that if there is a complex structure or complex object, then we have to show uh, either we can represent it with its only two views that are required, top view and front view, or we can show the all the three views that are front view, top view and side view. Okay, but suppose your object is hollow. Okay, if your object is hollow, then if that hollow part or internal things we cannot show with the help of front view and top view, then what will we do is we cut this section and show its internal parts. Okay, so the action of cutting is called sectioning a solid and the plane of cutting is called section plane. Okay, so there are how many types of planes are there, already know, that is vertical plane, horizontal plane and profile plane. These planes I have already told you, right? So these planes are called principal planes. Okay, so horizontal plane and vertical planes are called principal planes. That is, you already know. The second one is auxiliary planes. So there are three types of auxiliary planes. First one is auxiliary vertical plane. Second one is auxiliary inclined plane, and third one is profile plane. Profile plane, that in that you make the side view. Okay, so first one is auxiliary vertical plane. So this is the plane that is perpendicular to the HP and inclined to the VP at any angle. Okay, the second plane is auxiliary inclined plane. This plane is perpendicular to the VP and inclined to the horizontal plane. Okay, so these names are basically for is made with respect to horizontal plane. If it is inclined plane, inclined to the what? Horizontal plane. It is vertical plane. Vertical to the what? Horizontal plane. So these planes are named with respect to horizontal planes. Auxiliary vertical plane, the plane that is vertical or perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Auxiliary inclined plane, this plane is inclined to the horizontal plane. Okay, and third one is profile plane, that you already know. Okay, so an auxiliary vertical plane appears as a straight line in its top view, right? If you see the auxiliary vertical plane from top, it will be uh, appeared as a line, right? Auxiliary vertical plane was the vertical to the horizontal plane, means perpendicular to the horizontal plane and inclined to the vertical vertical plane. So it will be appeared as a straight line when you see it from the top, and straight line is its horizontal trace, right? तो ये क्या है आपका horizontal trace है. So an AVP always cuts top view of the solid. If you want to cut this solid and